you see here is our coastal garden. This, just 1 year ago, was a large swath of lawn, and we had the opportunity to replace this portion of lawn with a native plant garden with plants that are adapted to coastal Connecticut. So we have a diverse array of native species, and again, this was just 1 year ago, so it's evolving, but you can see how they are thriving. This senna is in full bloom right now. This senna is, of course, a native plant, and it attracts more bees than any other native plant that is in bloom at this time. You can see all of the activity there, which is really great to see. It's really great to see this garden so alive.
It's important to give back to what we have, and that's an important message for home gardeners too. It doesn't matter the amount of space you have. We have a lot of space here, so we are packing it with a variety of plants and different sizes, but even a container garden, a small plot, you can bring some of that to your own home here.